Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best
eye treatment products
are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
Been doing before I do my makeup that's completely transformed my makeup routine.
Okay, so I found that the most crucial thing to do for your makeup routine is to get your skin prepped before you start. Using the Salor under eye patches has seriously helped me so much with eliminating my dark puffy circles under my eyes before I even start on my foundation and concealer. To prep my skin, I put these on for the suggested 15 to 20 minutes, and guys, seriously, my puffiness is gone.
Hey, so I am wearing the 24K eye treatment mask. I have been buying these things for a good minute now, so I'm used to this. With consistent use, you actually do see the difference. I love the little scoop it comes with. It's a lot easy to kind of get it out and scoop it up without getting liquid everywhere. But yeah, I've been wearing this mask for a good 15 minutes, so I'm about to take it off. When you first put it on, it's going to slide and droop because of the liquid treatment that's up there. So it's nice to just kind of lay back when you first put it on. That's kind of the whole point, like a self-care morning routine type deal for your skin. And yeah, it's got collagen and hyaluronic acid in it, which is amazing for your skin, especially if you're getting a little bit older in that age range where you kind of need collagen to kind of replenish what your body is naturally depleting. So this works really well, especially for under the eye, which is a very fragile area. So take it off. When you take it off, all you gotta do is just rub in the treatment like this. This is my favorite part. It feels so good. And then you can go on about the rest of your skincare routine, whether putting on makeup or just leaving your face as is.
Three derm ingredients in one cream? Don't settle for less. Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer from L'Oreal with not just one, but 3 derm recommended ingredients. Pro retinol plus hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, all in one powerful cream. Revitalift does so much more than just hydrate. It visibly reduces wrinkles, firms, and brightens. Now that's triple power. Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer from L'Oreal. We're worth it.